Do you want to know how you can log in to your KPU account or your KPU student account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your KPU student account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and go to the Google search bar to search for KPU login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. This is the official page of Kwantlen University. Go ahead and click on the sign in which is on the top right hand corner. Click sign in again and it will lead you to another website or another browser, and then you can log into your KPU account. Go ahead and click sign in which is over here. It will take you to another website. As you can see, it has opened up. Click sign in again and click sign in which is below welcome. In a while, you can see that a login portal of your school email will open up. Go ahead and write down your user details such as your email address and your password. After you write down your email address and password, you can successfully log into your KPU account. All you need to do is open one.kpu.ca, click on sign in and click on sign in again. Write down your user details and then you can log into your KPU account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.